Yes, good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's training. We begin in a short while. So today we're going to cover intelligent building solution and intelligent parking solution. And I think we'll begin with the intelligent parking solution. So in case you have a question, maybe something's not clear, you can ask. And today's training is for more of pre-sales. Pre-sales technical is fine, but more of sales-oriented side. So just a bit of knowledge about our products and the solutions that you offer as a company. And also, I would advise you guys every time that you are joining Zoom, so you can join with your name and maybe the company name. So that is for the purposes of maybe accountability and knowing which company has attended. So for such information, to be nice, next time we're going to do training, I would advise you guys to join with such kind of information. So I'll begin with the intelligent office solution. So I was not to cover this intelligence office solution, but I'll still handle it regardless, because it's maybe it falls under the intelligent building solution. So I just talk a bit about this because it's not that big of a slide. So just give me a minute before we do official resumption. Meanwhile, so the intelligent office solution is more of to make office surveillance or maybe office security more convenient and maybe in a form easier to manage and let's say digitized. So the intelligent office solution aims to address the following issue. Maybe in your office you're experiencing the problem like inefficient visitor management. That is, your customers are not served to their expectation. Other issues that can be addressed are inclusive of lack of intelligent upgrades, maybe resulting to security threats. And other sort of problem include poor property management. So that is in terms of handling maybe infrastructure, handling maybe the various physical products in the office scenario. So the solution overview includes having devices that will do access control. We have the VIP recognition solutions. That is in terms of you have those special kind of clients that you feel like are very important and needs to be recognized and served to their expectation. Then apart from that, also to achieve all those solutions, other information that can be included or maybe solution that can be added in, inclusive of face recognition access, elevator control solution. That is, you're preventing or maybe restricting access to elevator to those people who are only authorized. So apart from that, also there is a you will when the meeting ends, just right-click the link and join again, because you right-click the link In case we have a disconnection, re-click the link and then you'll join the training again. We'll resume. So apart from that, we also have information release management. That is, if you want to make public communication or maybe communication to quite a number of people, we have those products that do information releases. We also have heat map people counting. So the same applies to Office, Intelligent Office. So you're also counting maybe the number of customers who are at the lobby or in the reception area. We have also for entrance and exit, we have the number plate recognition. And then we have for parking solution, that is in the parking lot, you are also doing management of the parking slots. And we have this product called the parking detector and car locator. We'll get to know them in a short while. Then we have the video wall for the central monitoring situation. This kind of camera, the panoramic, that are used for the installation of heights and maybe monitoring the square region or maybe in the front of the office. So outdoor protection. So we have the outdoor monitoring. So that is in terms of the office side. And inclusive are these active deterrence kind of cameras, the cameras that support alarm and NVIDIA at the same time. Also, we have the perimeter camera that can do perimeter protection. Also have the PTZ camera that can do large regional continuous surveillance side. So for outdoor protection cameras, the kind of products that are used for the outdoor protection inclusive this special series of camera, which is a panoramic camera at the same time. That is, you're having one camera. So you're having one camera that can be used to do surveillance for the whole region. So you have the panoramic and the PTZ at the bottom. So the kind of camera you can see from this is the kind of camera that can be used, and you can see the solution is building or enterprise office. So for AI protection, we also have to know the face metadata. That is, you are doing surveillance, but at the same time you are getting the metadata or maybe human attributes from the surveillance. So be able to know if people are wearing hats so that you can respond in a timely event. So I'm not going to dwell much on this office solution because today's training is about smart building. So this is just a by the way, and maybe something like a bonus on the same. So some of the parts I'll not cover. I'll just highlight a few that are maybe key with the SMB solution or not large office. So also for office scenario, we have the walk-through detectors and the baggage scanners for the same. Then we have the liquid detector and explosive detectors. All these products, we have them, and we have the handheld bed tool detector and explosions-proof cameras, kind of. So today we're not going to dwell some of the products here, but at least you get to know we have such kind of products, such a kind of screening products. So maybe for the diversification protection, inclusive of fisheye to monitoring a lobby scenario and doing analysis like people counting and functions like heat map. So for office case installation, and also maybe one of the key products or one of the cameras that can be very good to install at corridor side in office. We have this dual lens camera. So if you're installing this camera in a corridor, maybe at the center, you have one facing the other direction and the other facing the other direction is good for instead of having two cameras. And also in terms of aesthetics or appearance, the camera looks good. So you can have such kind of camera installed in corridors for office case scenarios. And also we do some products like in case you have a go down or maybe a very large office that is prone to fires, or maybe you need to detect fire early enough. We have those kind of cameras like the thermal detection or fire detection cameras, and you have alarms, or you can also trigger to other events to prevent the fire. So in terms of efficient success in office-based scenario, we do have products that will do smart office solution, inclusive of access control products and number plate recognition cameras, which incorporate also barriers. So we also provide barriers. We have Dahua barriers, and we have these cameras that work together with the barriers to achieve that intelligent office aspect. So the Dahua utensils for access control. So I think I'm not, just to mention them, I'm not going to talk much about this. Then we talk about what was for us today. So elevator control. So we have this elevator control solution. So elevator control can be applied both in intelligent residential apartments and also in intelligent building office apartments, sorry. So the elevator control comes in more of trying to limit the people who are using the elevator, or giving the correct people or the authorized personnel to use the elevator. So authentication for this, you can have face recognition terminals and recognize the face of people, then allow them to use the lift, or use cards, or use passwords, or even fingerprints. So some of the products required to achieve a good elevator control, we have this elevator controller kind of product. We have now the platform that will be used to managing the users, etc. Then we have these other key products that works directly with the elevator touchpad. So this has connection, that there is connection for each button in the elevator. And maybe in case your project is a bit special and you have quite a large number of buttons, we do cascade system. So you have like multiple of these products. It's called a VTM, and they can all work together to achieve even up to 50 floors, 30 floors, depending on your setting. Yes, I know I'm not updating the videos, but they will be available. Just be patient. So parking management, also for intelligent building. So we're covering a bit of parking management, parking parts from this side. Then we'll do also another parking solution for the same. So I'm going to end this meeting, then we start afresh. So I'll just close it, then you guys can rejoin with the link. So nothing more, just rejoin with the link. I'm going to end this one first. Then we resume.